everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911 and welcome to my very first product testing video. I'm really excited to be doing this video. You know, when I'm organizing in my clients' homes, we often come across these unique little gadgets that are supposed to make your life easier that you just can't do without. And when I asked my client, well, when's the last time you used it? And they were like, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, right after I got it. You know, we do those impulse things. We see something on an infomercial and we just have to have it. We swear it's going to change our life and make it easier and faster and more productive. So I thought it'd be really fun to put these products to the test and see if they really are life-changing and things we just can't do without, okay? Now recently I was scrolling through Facebook and came across this video of this KitchenAid product. It was to help you cut grapes and grape tomatoes a lot faster and easier. Cutting down your time in the kitchen. Get it? Cut down your time. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, so I thought, you know what? I want to get it and put it to the test. Because if it's truly easier, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go order one now. I checked on Amazon to see if I could find the product there. And lo and behold, there it was. It claims it cuts most seedless grapes and grape tomatoes into quarters, both quickly and safely. Its soft, non-slip plunger and curved finger rests are comfortable. It's good for on-the-go use, and it can be taken apart for easy cleaning. Awesome! Let's add it to the cart. Okay, so the product came in about a week ago, and I had to take a little time to go back and look at the footage that we already shot just to make sure I wore the same thing for this video. So I'm really excited to give it a try and see if it can cut the grapes and tomatoes as easily as the video showed. Well, let's try to get it out of the package. Oh, it's nice and easy, I think. Oh, very easy. So let's give it a try. Safety off, we can handle it. Okay, now they say to just put it vertically into this area here. And now we're gonna try it. Are you ready? Should we have a drum roll? Oh, that's cool. Oh, we gotta try that again. Oh, this is fun. Like butter. Oh my gosh. Fruit salads.
Yummy, yummy.
Here we come. Too bad they don't make one the size of an apple. And this is fun. Oh my gosh. I could get into this. I'll definitely volunteer for fruit salad duty. That is easy as pie. I love it. Now, let's see how well it cuts tomatoes, because I gotta tell you, I'm just having this vision of it spurting everywhere. So, let's give it a try. Again, we're gonna put our little grape tomatoes in there. They fit. Okay, you ready? And pow! Ooh, how cool is that? Look at that! Oh my gosh! That is perfect! Let's try another. Let's see how it works. Ready? Pow!
This is too cool.
You know, I hate having full ones in my salad like this, the grape tomatoes. Have you ever bitten into one of these and like had it totally squirt out your mouth or squirt back into your throat and you start choking? Totally not cool. Yeah, not good manners at a restaurant either. But I love this. So the fact that you can cut it into small pieces, non-squirtable pieces. This one's... there we go, that one worked. Let's try another. Ooh. Now that one got stuck. See, this is why I test these products out for you guys. That one, we'll have a ceremony for it later. That one didn't make it. Let's see about these. Push that one in. It's like butter. Some of these are having a little trouble fitting in the side here. You just kind of have to squish them all the way through. That one went. I am loving this. This is like addicting. So, you know what? This is great if you have kids and you don't want them, I never let my kids cut grapes, even when they were getting old enough to probably do it, because these little round guys, they're slippery little suckers, and they slide around when you go to try to cut them. And this is a fairly clean way of cutting it. It's a safe way. It's got a safety when you're storing it, so you're not, I would imagine these blades are pretty sharp. I think the blades on the inside is where they're actually the sharpest, of course. I don't think, let's try it out. Have 911 ready if I cut my finger. Yeah, the blade on the outside here, I'm sure if you really ran your finger hard across it, you might cut yourself, but it's fairly safe, the blade on the outside. It's primarily the blade on the inside you want to be careful of. And then with this nice safety cover, even if you're reaching in the drawer, you're not looking, you're not going to cut your finger. So overall, for this product, I mean, we did have one tomato casualty, and it's resting in pieces. But overall, this product from OXO, it's called the Top Grape Cutter. I really think it's definitely worth the money. I think it was like $9, $9.99 or something like that on Amazon. I'll put the link below, the Amazon link, and I'll also include a link to the original video I saw where they were demonstrating this product. I think it's well worth it. I know just from using it now, I dreaded having to cut these for my salad because I don't want to be, very uncouth and having it squirt out in my mouth or something, like I bite it the wrong way. These are two products that you want cut down a little smaller. If you have children, that is imperative that you get these two items cut down smaller for them to avoid choking. So I give this a rave review. It's going to get 5 stars from me. I love it. It's easy. I hope the blade lasts long. I didn't check the package if it says it's dishwasher safe. Let me get my reading glasses on. It doesn't tell me if it's dishwasher safe. It says for instructions on how to disassemble plunger for deeper cleaning, please visit www.oxo.com. So we will put the link to that. We'll put that link down below as well. It doesn't seem like it would be that hard to clean out, just kind of rinse it out a little bit. Although, no, there's tomato goop in there. So it's worth checking that out. That would be an only drawback if you had to hand wash this all the time. But again, I love it. It's a good product. I'll put all of those links down below for you. Okay, so go check them out. And if you find a product or gadget you want me to give a try, please leave the link in the comments below and I'll check out that product and see if I can do a video on it for you. Okay? I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching. We're rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Boy, my butt is swollen. This is definitely a cut above the rest. And it will definitely cut down on your preparation time. Cut it out. I gotta stop. This is too much. I love a good pun.